The global threat of ongoing climate change has one principal cause, that is, carbon that was buried underground in the form of fossil fuels is being removed and released into the atmosphere in the form of carbon dioxide. One promising approach to addressing this problem is carbon capture and storage, using technology to take carbon dioxide out of the atmosphere to return it underground. In a new study published in the journal Greenhouse Gases Science and Technology, researchers from Japan investigated geological storage of low purity carbon dioxide mixed with nitrogen and oxygen produced by direct air capture (DAC) using membrane based technology. Many current carbon capture projects are carried out at localized sources using concentrated carbon dioxide emissions such as coal-fired power plants and require intensive purification storage owing to the presence of hazardous compounds such as nitrogen oxide and sulfur oxide. They also have high transportation costs because viable geological storage sites are typically far from the sources of carbon dioxide. In contrast, direct air capture of carbon dioxide can be performed anywhere, including at the storage site, and does not require intensive purification because the impurities, oxygen and nitrogen, are not hazardous. Therefore, low purity carbon dioxide can be captured and injected directly into geological formations, at least in theory. Understanding how the resulting mixture of carbon dioxide, oxygen and nitrogen behaves when it is injected and stored in geological formations is necessary before underground storage of low purity carbon dioxide from direct air capture can be widely adopted. The study's author explains that it is difficult to capture high purity carbon dioxide using DAC. The researchers performed molecular dynamic simulations as a preliminary evaluation of the storage efficiency of carbon dioxide, nitrogen, oxygen mixes at three different temperature and pressure conditions corresponding to depths of 1000 meters, 1500 meters and 2500 meters at the Tomakomai carbon dioxide storage site in Japan. Although further research is still needed, such as investigations of chemical reactions of injected oxygen and nitrogen at great depths, the results of these simulations suggest that geological storage of carbon dioxide, nitrogen, oxygen mixtures produced by direct air capture is both environmentally safe and economically viable. Because of the ubiquity of ambient air, direct air capture has the potential to become a ubiquitous means of carbon capture and storage that can be implemented in many remote areas such as deserts and offshore platforms. This is important both for reducing transportation costs and ensuring social acceptance.